But the 10 years, not even get document. Family, oh, they will get picking. They not go give them. They will see they give them husbands. They give some do to self. They all go they collect their benefit, that family benefit, they don't collect and finish. They don't use until do their own. Now their way be that one. They don't use until do their own. This country don't go there. Many will fit talk. At least you have children. Yes, sir. And today I born my pikin. My last born don't go safe. I believe see now that benefit I get from them. When they want to use pattern, when they want to use cook, they take collect. When I tell them, say, no, 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 I no agree. I no go agree. Which kind nonsense be down. One until they train wayward pikin. You don't see pikin when they carry when good. Go check am. Pikin when they carry down they good again. Before you know it, they'll come they tell you say the pikin they give an injection. This one come do that one not come do that one. Some they'll say how they pain them. Some they'll say they don't get problem for their brain. Some they'll say they don't get problem for their chest. That's the collect pikin when good. Which pikin don't see they carry a turn footballer? Carry pikin become doctor. Carry pikin become something meaningful in society. Amen. Pikin not grow with your mama, you grow with your papa. You grow with suppose grow with papa and mama. Or grow with mama. Finish. Now wetin we know be that one. Even papa self to take care of pikin say dey hard. As a father, you to dey take care of pikin dey hard. You no fit do any other thing. So mother is okay for kids. The both are good. In terms of this country well because German the guy dey tell you one they quick vex for one well. They go pet am, find way to take they nail that one hand for somewhere. They will do am wetin they want do am. Get one more woman that time wey newly come. I don't want to mention her name. I don't even know where that one go come dey now for my former city. So the man was a Ghana man. It's called Rasta. But the Nigerian woman, the woman and Nigeria woman. How many kids they get that time? Like 4. Yes, they were having 4. They give the woman 5 years document. So the woman come the buga. They can't give the man don't do. So the woman drive the man away from the house. The man come go dey stay camp. So after some time, hello. So after some time, after the 5 years finish, the man dey drag say he get na two of them get pikin, but why they go do just settle the woman, they not settle her. So the man they go call, they won't deport the man several times. So they'll carry the man go deportation camp that year. Now they'll take those Ojoro de Mao. That one, they can't go deportation camp that year. You even see the guy na Rasta, they not too, you know, even the bath, you know, but they do something like, you know, they walk, you go, they carve something for camp like that, come be like a mad person. You can't reach deportation camp. He go tell them say he get pikin for the country. They will leave him. They will come back. They say, you still see him again. not be your answer the carry yesterday. Wetin happen? He go tell you, say, he don't tell them, say, he get picking for the country. They'll still leave him. You know what they did to that woman? That woman come they do the vagal, all the whole boys that year for the zone. They come they watch her. School she not go. Work she not work. After the 5 years correct, now they fair go there, they collect the children. They collect the children finish, now they give one do. That's they don't deport that one take. I know this before I come over that, I know they see am again. That's so they just do that one. That's so that one just take end. So you they predict for that kind of country. Say with you they predict. They think say everywhere good. If you never reach your turn or you never reach your side, just dey thank that your babalawo when you dey go or when your papa and mama dey go for you. Because most of now go babalawo finish now say na God. I say na only you God create. So just go dey do thanksgiving well for that babalawo hand. Because if they smell ground reach where you dey, or you can't go get bad person when they talk your matter to them, they will come for you with full force. Why can't you end the life and try and sleep a little bit? Your face will say you are stressed out. I'm stressed out now. I should sleep. Sleep when? I'm not sleep on top chair. I should just sleep like this. My live video they pay you. Leave on there. If I like, I leave on there till tomorrow morning. I won't enter yours. I know why I cut them because I dey do something. I want to do something online. That make me cut them because I don't feel use the phone take. And the battery now self will soon off. And I dey charge my this thing. I charge my power bank. Wetin concern me? If I like, I sleep 1 hour. If I like, I don't even sleep. I be want make I sleep, make they come carry me for where I sleep. And that one you want. And now they sleep. Sleep for police detention. Ask am where tell ask am, let me ask am. Maybe this is maybe I dey board. I want board flight again, so may I for sleep. Who even the board flight they sleep? If you say me you sleep, you will sleep, forget your time. Your flight go. You know fit stay if you come enter flight to sleep for inside the flight. You won't sleep for bicycle. Now here they call bicycle, then they sleep for here. I beg no sleep. Not trust those guys, I pray. Just imagine. Person who buy for head like this, they say make it sleep go away. Thank you. Stop saga. Now you thought that one. Tell them well. If you sleep, you don't see what it is. They say if he sleep, then go give an injection. I mean one I beg you. They normal for life is better than because who they normal now they feel if you do anything when you won't do again. I get some friends when they never come Western world once. Know where they go? Malaysia, Japan, China. They're not the near Western, not those ones. They're not the near them. They are still rich. They are even richer than people living in the Western world. They rich past people when they live for this Europe. So if you have life, you still have long way to go. Don't go sleep for bicycle. Don't let them go because the pin for your body. Now house you go and Nigeria your body will go tell you, say they give you something. Have you called your lawyer? Yeah, I've called. Yeah, it's far too. Yeah, it's true. Now this is strange. Thank you, Jane Bella. I pray make I reach something. Now you they talk this one. Make I go risk. I don't dey risk myself like that. I feel open my eyes like this till day break. If I sit down, Not many dey come. When you say na one still come, they don still go. They just come dey observe too much. You see, you no go see reach like before you go see reach like 10 minutes just now, one go pass or go pass for this side, go come this side. Say, okay, may I sleep for that kind place? Then no dey sleep. Na night duty we dey do now. Me, I fit do night duty now. When I work for Amazon, not doing na only night duty I don dey do morning shift, I don dey do afternoon shift, only night. So me when I do night shift, I no worry. Last night I sleep small for inside flight. I be no wan even sleep, but the sleep go still come, go carry me based on I sit down. Go carry me. But I no worry. I dey look dem make dem do wetin dem wan do. Not for good bad thing. When there is life, there is hope, man. Don't go let people go. Because you might be passing through something. Some people will give you advice. Who they give you some advice? The person never even, you don't know, it not be the person fault. It is a normal and so. You don't know, say not be so. Until maybe one day, maybe for a lifetime, no go experience such thing, but he just want to give his or her opinion. But you don't know, say this our opinion not to follow the way like that, not follow road like that, because there are some things you try, there are some things you don't try. You know now, not true. Not true because I don't dey use am play. Oh. And because of that one make me fight them well. Because when you know why person the people they worry you. So any step when they take you will understand. You know how to follow up because you don't already know. Yes, so God over everything. Yes, so. I don't know how long I will be here, but those one when they find flight for ground. That one just see pass. Those one they find flight for ground. Flight don't move for here, man. Flight don't move for here. Well. Maybe they never see the one when they go my side. It's funny, sha, but it's crazy. You know, we get the time when people supposed to fear deportation when you newly come. Not be when you don't take. When you don't take, you consider fear deportation. Be crazy. And that is good anyway. They use until they spoil person record. At least when they deport somebody, they'll give the person ban for share. That ain't not too good. Thank you. Unexpected is not good. You know, when you tell person say leave my country, the person go know what to pick, know what to do. You understand? So even my house when they don't let me reach, now I still get things for there now. Now I don't be everything I just they talk now. Things they there. Things they there. When you tell person make come on, the person know you know wetin go touch, you know wetin you need, you know wetin, you know. Unexpected is crazy. Thank God say when I even not be hard for maybe like road for even say they want carry me come out because I be get paper and maybe not the fear. Thank God my most of my things still there with me. They often see my luggage, they say, well, I may get those luggage. All those pusher. But I see they believe one thing, people never know, sha. This economy, they affect everybody. All those mass deportation when they say that they plan to who they do now, sef, they go for the countryside. Poverty don't see the cause am. People not go understand. This gas when they cause so and crude when they cause na problem. Na big one or better one. And the person will just stay here for long. What if you don't stay here for long? Me see the talk now, okay, I still get luggage when I be carry go Nigeria, when I be still carry come. What if your day streets, your things day house, they carry you for there, put for flight, carry go house. If you get money for bank, you know quick you carry. If you get small thing for, you see people when don't take for somewhere, they fit carry you like this. Eh? Shishi no gum you, and so you take this bamboo. Shishi no gum, and so you take this bamboo. They talk another thing. Make this one. I beg all those fake people. Mona go dey see. I not be white person. No, see, I not put color for. No, see, I say I not. Look, cook man, this. Okay, I not be white person. I don't dey carry una out take on the man they disturb me for you. Now your name na war. Who they use that name? Price of gas. You dey sell gas. Am I home now? No. Must say I'm not home. I'm still in the same place. Because I just sit down for another position, not me say I still dey where I dey. I'm still here. Look, still here. See, still in the same place. She dey see flight for down, 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 down. Still dey the up when I do. Whether they want make I jump, come down, no, no. But I know they jump, come down. Go past them. I just dey here. Okay, you just woke up, Austin. I'm still here. This one be where your wife, where your wife. You be like say na Nigeria they stay. Before, I only come from Nigeria now. Okay. Stop saga. Okay, now stop saga you dey talk to. You think you talk when you dey talk am? Benjamin, if you need any support, let me know. My dear, no shaking. Thank you. Yeah, not me. Yeah, I check it. It's not me. Yeah, it's so sad though, seriously. So sad. This somehow. When it happened, I think say na play. Oh. I think say na I did not pray, bro. I'm not like if you see how the police they do something like what did your first shock me, your first me, your first non like this. Can't look the second one, non like this. You know, when they don't call person, tell person something. So they know say me no be one follow them because me I will cast that same place on your the more your cast there and so my life will be. More your cast there because we don't newly come down and people plenty. Eh, people still plenty for there. So they tell me, no, 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 no problem, no problem. We just want to confirm your card. Please come, come. My mind be tell me, say, don't follow those people. Tell them, say, you know, they go. Anything when they want you to do, make them do one for this arena where people for plenty. So, as I reason now, she go, carry the paper, go. I stand, though. I just stand there, they observe. Like, what is going on? What is wrong? So later I come, say, no problem. You can sit here. I saw it happen. Get the lawyer quickly. Yeah. With me for airport for 24 hours before because of jewelry wey dey my bag. The jewelry. Na so now, na so they ask me. They say my wristwatch whether na original abi na fake. Na say why they ask. He say because he wan know how much he wan write for ground. I say why you go write am for ground? Leave am for my bag now. Say he wan write am for ground. Then say he wan know. I don pour like this. With my family. Yeah, not all, but few of them. You still call the lawyer? Yes, yes, I do. Yes, I did. But I not give you, you know. And that boy give me the number. It's a very nice guy. The lawyer self, yeah, the lawyer speak well. Me and I talk well. Me and I talk well. But I pray may he come this morning before they will start their this thing again. German, they're strong. Oh. The thing is like they not too they lie. They not like you if you be TikTok now. Them man like number one if you they lie. They will like you. Don't be say they see too like you. Get where because I don't see some liars when they just see fuck up now. If you they lie and maybe secondly if you are a primitive person, they like you. If you be primitive person because that is how they want us to look like. That is how they want us to be. If you are a primitive person, they might like you. If you see people when they say that man good, they be primitive people because they like they don't like when you if you guy you be enemy. If you go school you be enemy. If they tell you they lie for you, they tell you say this water na rock water. You can't argue say no, this water is not rock water. It's this water. You don't fuck with it. You don't turn enemy so bad I don't come. So they not be like like some Spanish or like some Italians, like people like some Igbo when just let I dey see them for here. Although I never to live with them like that, but I dey see their behavior. They be like who high and be like people when just differently, like they want you to follow you. They know the that man are like this. Everybody will know the strong. You know the you and person know the fight. And they won't smile with you like this. Oh. You just small one like If you hot on, they don't. If you won't catch them, if they do you like this, no, not just like you still do one. You still like go far before you turn. No, they don't do you like this. Just quickly turn seconds again, like turn check again. You always say person when you do you like this just now. You see, you don't be like this. You don't verse. Because they are smart. See, you not even this year. I'm mad to your day. Just like if you did German, you will learn how to do this thing. Fake smile. Thank you. They like people when depend on them. People, some people never still know this code for Germany. They like people when depend on them. If you like to work hard, like you need your money, because they know say that dependence, that their money no dey reach use. You know if you go they use their money now until they buy gadgets and they know say e no go reach you. So they like maybe that they like make me fair talk, maybe you newly come. Then they share people, those dependents, they share their money, join their own. So that made them like either they pay you now, they like and well. Maybe they just they pay you steady. Like they like am. If you person when they like to abeg money una dey pay me, no dey reach month before e go finish. Abeg, I wan go find work. Abeg, I wan go try. They no like you. They no like you. That time they will carry eye follow you. That small one wey they just dey give you, you dey accept am. If you like no even go work, you no get shaking, you no get problem. No dey see people for here, they no dey go work, they no dey go anywhere. They go just dey the countryside. They fit not give them paper, but they just like them. Those people they follow them, they laugh, they open teeth. And when she dey play much with from later, and she call herself. Okay, I don't know what you know they talk. I'm so emotional now. This thing really touched me. I'm Austria, and it's a pity. I can't help. Oh, sorry, bro. Thank you, thank you. Let me thank you for that. Seriously. Thank you. You are in Austria. That is slavery. Yes, now Fetomo. It's slavery now. Na slavery method. This one, see, now modern way of slavery. Not be, olden days, they put padlock for people mouth, make them not shop, flog them for back. You still check them now, the same thing, but it just can't be modern way. Come like say now we come by ourselves now. No say we by they come carry our forefather for us. Now we they come by ourselves, come face am. Wetin we dey take dey face am, we all come, we say we dey find documents. Nigeria will not be Nigeria again, we won't be German, or we won't be this, we won't be that. Na be the thing now, then slavery don start. Then that time, they'll come tell you, say, go stay camp, you really go. They'll come tell you, say, okay, come for this camp, come this camp, you really go. Why? You don't need something. That's called slavery. Because when you need something from people, they can use you. Because they know you need it. You don't have option. Thank you. Big stuff. Thank you, Jerry. That's it now. When you need something from people, they will use you. It's normal. When you don't need something from people, they hardly use you. So now I make who come here when by the phone say, oh, you both know you use me. Shut up your mouth. They use you because you know why? Because you need it. You need it. Once you need it, you must
But I
be
check
used.
out nothing, eh?
Yeah, no problem. I have got one, eh? Thank you.
You see it's like water fountain, You can get for free. You don't need to buy.
Okay. Where is that?
Or you need to look on the wall.
Yeah.
I think more in the beginning, more at the end, I don't know. They have water for free,
Okay, I will check when mine is finished. Okay, thank you. So I don't go fit understand though. Hope you don't chop. I don't chop.
Şu an şeydeyiz, bu Juliet tarafındayız.
I don't chop.
Neyi ne? Direktörün üzerindeki mi? Sarılar. Ha, ondan. Oğlum motorla ha bleeding yapmak için mi? Oğlum bir tane plastik
Savursun
bez
yiyorsun.
ağzına versin ya. Ne çıkacak ondan?
What are they saying?
Anladın
Okay.
mı? Plastik kutu yok mu?
It's water because I was
Onun
looking
ağzını
for
delip ondan sonra o bleeding kartını oraya versin.
for coins to buy water
Mesela çözüm olarak.
because I don't have coins. So
Neyse tamam. Onlar daha iyi bilirler.
the machine only carry 10 euros.
Tamam
Now they
işin
carry
biterse
cash.
haber et.
So I need person when go. They call am vex change to change am for me. Then one of it they buy or I use card. Then later now I can use card. Consider the one when need card, but not be coins card. And that one I can't feel buy now. That one is for never 50 drink now. Drink water. When they never close, I go buy what's it called? Apple tea. I need apple tea, but they give me. I never check myself. I don't. As I dey open and I can't take code and they don't almost close now. Rush. I take reach here. Give me lemon tea. I don't like them. But it cause headache. Apple tea is more better. And the area I dey except I come off for here. Go stay that side. No, bro, not that tea. It's called it's just called tea. Not coffee or those normal one they turn. No, it's called tea. Now tea they call am, but not be that kind one. Some be like water.
Değişik yapmışlar temelleri ya.
Too
Bayağı.
late.
Masraf etmişler.
Görmedim mi? Kıyama başlıyoruz.
Leave the area so you don't blow and finish. You don't do so. Finish. You don't do.